Now I welcome you in today's video. My name is JEFX and I'm a full-time smart money concept trader. In today's episode, we are going to learn about highs and lows in smart money concept. So without any further ado, let's go straight into the video. Now I welcome you back. This is JEFX and I'm a full-time smart money concept trader. I've been using smart money concept for the past 4 years and it has been working for me. It has helped me a lot to make money in the market. So I just decided also to break it through on this channel, and what you just need to do to learn it, you just need to pay close attention to this channel, hit the subscription button and then also hit the notification button, so you will be receiving all the updates, all the frequent videos we shall be uploading on this channel. And without any further ado, let's go straight deep into the video. Now a quick reminder to call your mind on this chapter. We can all believe that we have 3 types of market trends in smart money concept. We have a bullish structure market trend, you can call it an uptrend, and we have a bearish structure market trend, you can call it also downtrend, and we have a consolidating market in the smart money concept as a strategy. Now just as you can see on your screen that in uptrend the price is pushing harder to the upside, and in downtrend also you can see the price action is pushing also to the downside. And the consolidating market, that means the price is pushing in both sideways, that means it will be pushing to the upside or to the downside, or you can call it zigzag trend, as you can describe it in your way. Now just as the moving body on the landscape, in the uptrend the moving body is moving to the upside as you can see it, and then also in the downtrend the moving body is also moving to the downside, and also in the consolidating market the moving body will be moving either to the upside or to the downside as you can see on your screen. Now this will push us to what we call the highs and lows. Just that was a quick reminder to call up your mind on this chapter. So we shall move directly to highs and lows in the charts, but also I'll give you also these key terms we are going to be using in this chapter, and that is in the uptrend we shall be using higher highs and higher lows, and also in the downtrend we shall be using lower lows and lower highs. Now just also on the sketch you can clearly see guys that in the uptrend the price action is creating series of higher highs and higher lows. And without any further ado, let's go straight into the charts. Now I've already marked for you the structure. You can clearly see on your screen. You can clearly see guys on your screen that the price action will always first create what we call the pullbacks, or you can call it inducement, and then the price action will always come back and it breaks or sweep the recent inducement, and in that scenario we shall confirm our low, as you can see here that once the price action will break or sweep our recent inducement we shall confirm our low, and once the price action will break or sweep our recent low we shall confirm our lower high. I've just given you an example in downtrend. Unlike to the other episodes, I was giving you example in the uptrend. So we shall go on. As I told you yesterday that the price action will always create what we call the pullbacks, but we shall not consider them as highs and lows because they are not valid. For the valid low or high, the price action will always first break or sweep the recent inducement or the recent pullback, and that's when we shall confirm the previous low or the lower high. Now in this scenario also the price action also came back here and it breaks our recent inducement. So once it breaks our recent inducement we confirmed a low here. Are we together? And once also it breaks our recent low here we confirmed our lower high. As you can see here, we confirmed our lower high. So as I told you, the price action will always create another inducement, but we shall not consider it as our lower high or our lower low. So that's how we can mark up the structure. That's how we can mark up our charts with highs and lows. So I hope you have just gained in this tutorial. So if you have really gained something in this tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe and then click the notification button. We shall be uploading other videos regarding the smart money concept. So once you hit that notification button, you will be receiving updates once we update on this channel. So hope you have just enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel and then like and comment what you have not understood. I will be passing through the comment section, and then I will be replying to our viewers what they need more to understand. Thank you very much. Let's meet up in the next video.